Welcome to Rajendra Tandon videos. We take up two more lyrics written by Meera. These lyrics are full of philosophical thought. She believed that in life you cannot be happy unless you think of God. She also believed that to be a true devotee, one must shed arrogance and attachment. A poet is not a poet if she does not think deep, if she does not have something to say. A poet's thoughts are concentrated like the essence of a flower. One image follows another. When the poet writes, it's a remarkable combination of words, thoughts, and images. Meera is talking to people, trying to tell them that look, we suffer because we don't think of God. So come and pray. Your suffering would reduce. She writes, Ramaiya bin yo jivdo dukh pavai, kaho kun dheer badhavai, yo sansar kubud ko bhando, साध संगत नहीं भावई, राम नाम की निंदा ठानई, करम ही करम कुमावई, राम नाम बिन मुक्ति न पावई, फिर 84 जावई, साध संगत में कभू न जावई, मूर्ख जन्म गंवावई, मीरा प्रभु गिरधर के शरणम, जीव परम पद पावई. She knew that the world was full of rogues, people who did not believe in God, people who did not like her worshipping Krishna, writing and dancing to her lyrics. She wrote, we suffer because we do not think of Bhagwan. Who else can offer solace but him? The world is full of the unwise and the rogues. They do not like to be with the sages and the wise. Here she was reflecting her own life, where the king and her mother-in-law, sister-in-law, they thwarted her attempts to sing the songs of Hari. So she says they do not like to be with the sages and the wise. They denounce God and commit heinous crimes. Remember, however, that there is no salvation without God, without chanting His name. A fool wastes his time if he doesn't seek the company of the sadhus. Only at Giridhar's feet we can attain salvation. Meera was unyielding in her belief. She did not care. Whatever opposition came her way, she overrode it. She believed that to be a true devotee, one has to shed arrogance and attachment. She wrote, अपने कर्म को 6 दोष काकू दीजे रो उधो, सुनियो मेरी बहन पड़ोसन, गेले चलत लागी चोट, पहली ज्ञान मान नहीं कीनो, मैं ममता की बांधी पोट, मैं जान्यू हरि नहीं तजेंगे, कर्म लिख्यो भली पोच, मीरा के प्रभु Hari Abhinashi, Paro Nivaro Ni Soch. She believed that suffering can come because of an accident, that there might not be a correlationship between your deeds and your suffering. But if you believe in God, you can overcome the result of that suffering. Udho, she asks a question, why do we blame our deeds all the time? Accidents occur. My neighbor was hurt just walking in the street. To be a true devotee, never be arrogant about your learning. Shed attachment to material things or to a human being. I assure you, however useless our deeds might be, Hari will never desert us. He alone is our path to salvation. Now, this is the basic belief. Krishna told Arjun, Sarva dharman parityaj mamekam sharanam braja aham tva sarva papebhyo moksha ishyami mashucha. Leave aside all creeds, all religions, just have faith in me. I shall save you from all suffering, from all sins. Don't you worry. Just believe in me. Be a devotee. Be a bhakt. That is how Meera wanted to live her life. That is how she preached to everybody. Never be arrogant about your learning. Shed attachment to material things or to a human being. However useless our deeds might be, Hari will never desert us. He alone is our path to salvation. That was Meera. That was like a true devotee. Any one of us can tread this path. We shall get happiness, assured happiness, joy of living, a pleasure without material attachment, without sensual attachment, a pleasure out of attachment only to God, the Supreme Being, the Creator, the Preserver of all that we see, we experience, we live with. Jai Sri Krishna, Jai Sri Krishna, Jai Sri Krishna.